The TTT Torque Tool Tester is designed to accept any NORBAR smart transducer and has two transducer inputs. The connected transducers can be quickly selected using the switch on the side of the instrument. All normal operating modes can be selected from the pictorial display, or the instrument can be set up to suit particular requirements or applications using the menus in the current settings mode. The pictorial display buttons select the following functions. 1. Track mode. 2. Dial and electronic. 3. Click and cam. 4. Impulse tools. 5. Clutch tools. 6. Stall tools. 7. Unit of measurement selection. 8. Memory reset and send result via the RS-232 output. 9. Print inhibit. Hash. This displays full details of selected transducer, the capacity, serial number and measurement units. 0 button acts as an instrument 0 in track mode and acts as a memory reset in any other operating mode. And finally, this button enters the decimal point in any data entry menu. The TWL-1500 is an accurate and cost-effective loading rig for calibrating torque wrenches between 1 and 1500 Newton meters. Large torque wrenches can be operated effortlessly by simply winding the handle, while the TTT captures the first peak of torque in the case of click-type torque wrenches. The TWL-1500 can be fitted with flange-mounted transducers. The Smart Block transducer and the Pro Test transducer using the adapter kit supplied with the TWL.